From speeding up editing time to adding special effects with a click, these AI assistants will become your secret weapon. This list unveils the top 20 AI-powered video editing tools that will streamline your workflow, automate repetitive edits, and empower you to create professional-looking videos like never before. Remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. So get your skills ready as we explore the 20 best AI tools for video editing. Number 1. Simplified. The AI video generator simplifies content creation by dividing a lengthy video into multiple improved AI clips. The editor included in the software is designed to be easy to use, allowing you to effortlessly add subtitles and make video adjustments. One of its most impressive aspects is its wide range of editing capabilities. This tool is perfect for generating multiple AI-enhanced clips from a single, longer video. It's incredibly user-friendly and easy to understand. Our AI Magic Resizer feature guarantees that your videos will seamlessly adapt to any social media platform. The software makes professional video editing easy and accessible, with features like the popular Ken Burns and stop-motion effects. This tool is perfect for creators who want to enhance their content with a professional touch without dealing with complicated editing software. Number 2. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is widely recognized as a video editing software that is commonly used in the industry. Adobe Premiere Pro offers a wide range of features that allow you to easily trim clips, apply transitions and effects, eliminate background noise, and enhance your audio quality. It is compatible with various video formats, including 4K and 8K. Additionally, Premiere Pro seamlessly integrates with other well-known Adobe applications, such as Photoshop and After Effects. Adobe Premiere Pro is equipped with Adobe Sensei, an advanced AI technology that enhances the editing process by expediting tasks like color balancing, captioning, and transcription. Number 3. InVideo. InVideo is a user-friendly tool that creates videos based on the scripts you provide. InVideo takes your input and uses it to create a straightforward video by utilizing stock images and subtitles rather than generating complete videos from text prompts like other AI tools. This initial version is a good starting point, but it usually needs some editing to make it more suitable for publication. InVideo makes video creation easy and user-friendly, so even people without advanced video editing skills can use it. InVideo allows users to create high-quality videos that are customized to their specific requirements, using a combination of automation and customization. Number 4. Guide. Guide provides a free Chrome extension that allows you to easily create video documentation for new feature updates, product demos, and other purposes. Guide automatically generates a video that captures the steps you take in your browser, making it easy to share with prospects or customers. This tool makes it easy to create instructional content that is clear and professional. Remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. In addition, Guide offers the option to include voiceovers in more than 100 languages, ensuring that your videos can be understood by people all around the world. Guide simplifies the process of creating customized video content for training, support, or marketing purposes, ensuring high-quality results. Number 5. AI Studios. AI Studios is an easy-to-use platform that enables users to quickly create engaging videos. With a wide range of video templates to choose from, this platform utilizes advanced AI technology to boost efficiency. The platform enables the integration of virtual presenters into videos by providing a simplified content explanation. In addition, the video creator feature of AI Studios offers a wide range of over 80 AI avatars in different styles and outfits. Number 6. Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora has established itself as a reliable video editing tool, renowned for its intuitive interface and impressive range of features. Now, it includes a package of user-friendly AI tools that effortlessly enhance video quality, making professional courses or extensive editing hours unnecessary. These AI features can optimize your videos effortlessly, making adjustments that are usually only possible with expert knowledge. Filmora allows users to create high-quality videos effortlessly, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced editors who want to simplify their workflow and achieve impressive results in no time. Number 7. Runway. Runway offers a wide range of tools to assist you in creating high-quality content, including motion tracking, audio editing, keyframing, and video effects. This video creation tool is built on Gen 2, a powerful AI model that enables you to effortlessly generate videos from simple text prompts, saving you valuable time and effort. You can collaborate with friends on different video editing projects from your browser using Runway. Number 8. Flickr. Flickr is a tool that makes video creation easy and straightforward. Transform any blog post, script, or short prompt into a fully fledged video with Flickr's AI-generated voices. This tool simplifies the video production process, making it easy for users of any skill level to understand and use. If you're looking to create content for marketing, education, or entertainment, Flickr offers a straightforward and easy-to-use solution for producing top-notch videos. No advanced editing skills required. Flickr is a great option for those who want to create compelling video content with its user-friendly interface and advanced AI features. Number 9. Peach. Peach Webinars enables you to easily upload your webinars and easily identify and extract important moments from the transcriptions for reuse. You can export these highlights as short videos that are branded for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, making them ready for immediate use. Peach testimonials make it easy for you to create top-notch video testimonials. You can invite clients to share their reviews via email. The clients are provided with clear and straightforward instructions for recording their testimonials. Once they have completed the recording, they deliver it into the final video to you, complete with subtitles and your branding. Both tools make content creation a breeze, allowing you to create polished and captivating videos for different platforms. Number 10. Video.ai. Video AI is a software that helps you repurpose content by creating short clips that are easy to understand and ready to share on various social media platforms. Uploading a lengthy video to video, or including a YouTube link, will result in the platform creating a condensed version for you. Number 11. Vegas Pro. Vegas Pro is well known for its advanced video editing capabilities, and it has recently added AI features to enhance the editing process even more. Nevertheless, the tool may seem challenging for those who are new to it. If you're new to it, you may find it beneficial to explore their learning resources to quickly grasp the concept. This tool is highly regarded as an exceptional AI editing tool that offers a range of editing features to enhance the quality of your videos. Number 12. WiseCut. This tool is highly effective for enhancing your videos by making them shorter and more engaging. Short videos have become increasingly popular across various platforms, and WiseCut is a tool designed specifically for this purpose. Number 13. FlexClip. FlexClip is an online video editor that comes with a range of advanced AI tools. The platform provides a wide range of features, such as AI-powered text-to-video, blog-to-video, image generation, script generation, automatic subtitle creation, and text-to-speech capabilities. Furthermore, FlexClip offers a diverse selection of pre-designed templates and a comprehensive library of stock images, videos, and music tracks, allowing users to effortlessly begin their projects. The platform's user interface ensures that video editing is easy to understand and use for all users. Number 14. Repurpose.io. Repurpose.io is an incredibly user-friendly and efficient tool that is perfect for your social media content creators with busy schedules. This tool allows you to easily transform a video from platforms like YouTube Live, Instagram Live, or Zoom recording into different formats like TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. In addition, the tool takes care of publishing, saving you a significant amount of time that would otherwise be spent on manual work. Number 15. Visla. Visla has the ability to create a video script that is easy to understand, with concise and clear paragraphs. Afterward, you can input the script into another AI engine, which will search a stock image and video library to find suitable content that aligns with the words in your script. The end product is a video that appears ready for publication, with well-executed editing and a smooth progression. Both of these features are already quite robust, but there's more. Recording video from your camera is made easy with the platform. You have the option to record in the classic way or with a teleprompter, which helps you stay on script without needing to look away from the frame. Number 16. Clipchamp. Clipchamp AI Video Editor is included in the list of free AI tools for video editing. With its intuitive and visually appealing interface, this tool simplifies the entire video editing process. This AI video tool offers a wide range of features for users. Number 17. Kamua. Kamua is an excellent online video tool that allows you to perform all the necessary tasks of a full-fledged video editor without taking up much space on your hard drive. It operates at a high speed, similar to other online tools, by conducting the majority of its processing in the cloud. Number 18. AIVO AI. This AI tool is user-friendly and can be quickly learned to achieve the desired results in a matter of minutes. The tool loads quickly and provides a wide range of features in a single location. Number 19. Video. Video is an online platform that enables teams, organizations, and academic institutions to easily create professional videos and presentations, even without any prior video experience. It offers an affordable and high-quality solution for animated video creation. Video is an animation platform that makes it easy to create animated videos. Video is designed to be accessible and intuitive for users of all skill levels, offering a range of features to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced animators. By incorporating automation and AI, creators can greatly increase the range of possibilities and the quantity of videos they can produce. Number 20. Movavi Video Editor. Movavi Video Editor is known for its dual-mode functionality, providing a clear and easy way to create high-quality videos. When creating a family memory or travel diary, the automatic mode will guide you through a simple 5-step process. It seamlessly integrates themes, music, and transitions, making it easy for you. If you prefer more control, the manual mode offers a comprehensive editing suite with up to 99 tracks, allowing you to unleash your creativity without any limitations. Movavi makes video creation easier and more advanced, with features like AI motion tracking and background removal. What are your thoughts on these AI tools? Which one have you tried out, and how was your experience? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you want to see more AI tools that can help you in different ways. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos.